Today on the table, I've got something I came across on Amazon.com, which looked a bit odd, but I thought I'd give it a try. And this is the Motospeed K27 One Handed gaming keyboard. So this one was described as an LED mechanical keyboard, or to go through the various mentions on the box, supports 5 stunning LED backlight effects, made of domestic mechanical switches, durable. With EEPROM memory, chips using flash memory, and supports humane ergonomics. So I'm going to look through here. There's really not that much paperwork. So physically looking at the device, down the bottom here we have a hard rubber, which I was expecting it to be a bit more spongy than it is, but time will tell how good it actually is. The keys themselves are decently spaced. Very much reminds me of Corsair style of keyboards. Some more useless paperwork. Now what I'm going to do is just quickly connect this up. In the back we see nothing of overall interest. A couple of non-slip mats. Keys themselves feel very clicky. The clicking noise of it's considerably louder compared to the Corsair K70 Luxe keyboard that I have. So now we'll be connecting this up and disconnecting my lights, and from here I will be going through the various effects that are available on this one-handed gaming keyboard as they describe themselves. So one of the first things I'm disappointed with actually is it's not actually RGB, it's just each row is coloured a different colour, which is definitely one thing that does annoy me. I'd prefer them to be all one solid colour, be it blue, green or red. Now just cycling through the effects. This one here is probably my favourite out of the bunch. Anyway, I'll go on to the next effect. So a bit of an afterglow effect going on here. And this one seems to beam light from wherever you press directly across, which is another effect I don't really mind. From here I feel like this one, the key that you press has a slight delay from when it gets bright again. Only a little bit. There we go, no effect at all. Full lights. A pulsing method, or pulsing light. That one again I'm not overly a fan of. This one just looks a bit trippy. So on the box it does say there's 5 stunning LED effects, but I do believe there is actually a couple more than that. Now we'll just briefly record some of the keyboard press sounds for this exact one. So I do believe I'll give this a bit of a test out with Counter-Strike Global Offensive, which these are usually the keys that I'm using. I guess I'll see how this particular keyboard goes. That's it for now, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.